Hello everyone, and welcome back to the AGF channel. Today I have for you another video in our So Easy series, and this time I'm going to show you how to make a cover for your journal, and we will be using the new collection by AGF Studio called Periwinkle, featuring a color palette of soft pinks, blues, and lavenders that will make you look back on happy nostalgic memories, transporting you into an uplifted state of mind. What better way to reflect on the nostalgia than with a one-of-a-kind journal cover to protect your cherished thoughts? For this project, we will be using the prints Spring Daisies, Way to Roam, Floret Specks, and Planted Seeds Luminous, in addition to our pure solids in Parisian Blue, Sweet Pink, Aero Blue, Periwinkle, and Atmospheric. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more happy sewing content. Here is what you will need. 1 6 by 1.5 inch strip from Parisian Blue, Sweet Pink, Floret Specks, Spring Daisies, Way to Roam, Periwinkle, and 2 from Planted Seeds Luminous. 1 6 by 1 inch strip of Floret Specks, Aero Blue, 2 from Atmospheric, 1 from Sweet Pink, Periwinkle, and Planted Seeds Luminous, 1 12 inch by 1.5 inch strip of Parisian Blue and Floret Specks, 2 12 inch by 1 inch strips of Planted Seeds Luminous, 2 6 inch by 12 inch pieces of Way to Roam, 1 9 inch by 12 inch piece of Floret Specks, 2 9 inch by 12 inch pieces of Aero Blue, 1 18 by 10 inch piece of batting, 1 17.5 by 12 inch piece of interfacing, 18 inches of rope or cord, scissors, and pins. All the fabric requirements will also be listed in the description box below. First, take your 4 strips that are 12 inches long and sew them together as you see here. Do the same with all of your strips that are 6 inches long. Sew your 2 units together with the long strips on the left of the shorter strip set to create 1 unit. Then, take your 9 by 12 inch piece of Floret Specks and place it right sides together with your unit, sewing down the right side only. Place your unit on top of your batting right sides up and quilt as desired. I sewed 1 line down the center of my unit before adding some hand stitching elements in some of the solid strips. Next, take your 2 9 by 12 inch pieces of Way to Roam and fold down one long side 1/4 inch, then 1/4 inch again and top stitch. Do this to both of the pieces. Place your 2 9 by 12 inch pieces of Aero Blue right sides together and sew down one long side only before fusing your interfacing to the wrong side. Lay your interior piece down, right side up, followed by your 2 pieces of Way to Roam, right side up, lining up the raw edges on the side. Then, cut your piece of cord in half and pin one piece to the middle of one side and pin the other piece to the middle of the other side. Then place your exterior unit on top, right side down, with the front piece on the left. Sew around all 4 sides, making sure to leave an opening to turn. Trim your corners, turn your cover right side out, and top stitch 1/8 of an inch all the way around. And your journal cover is complete. Place your favorite journal inside and write down all your thoughts, dreams, wishes, anything you want. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy sewing everyone!